Hi everybody. Today I'm going to be making breadfruit with pigtails. It's a dish that I got turned on to when I used to fly in and out of Trinidad. So I'm basically going to be making this recipe strictly from memory. I couldn't find the recipe readily available, so I'm just going to wing it at this point. So come join me on the ride. Okay, we're going to keep on with our endeavors. So get these leaves off of this stems. Cilantro, softer stems. Got quite a bit here. So mixing up really well. I'm just going to push down the sides to make sure the bigger stuff on the top gets chopped down finer. Woo, but wow, you should. So, wow. Mama, I know how to cook, mama. I ain't even cooking, I'm just mixing. That looks wonderful. And this is going to end up, see, this, I believe when you make sauces like this, you don't have to worry about chopping vegetables every single time that you cook. You make something like this, and you keep it in your refrigerator, and you just take a little bit as you need it. It doesn't get any simpler than that. I mean, we all have busy lives. Why not find simpler ways of doing the same thing? And I think I might be on something. All right, so let's taste this right now. I think I nearly broke my nail. Ha! Ha! That's gonna be called Angie Sofrito, okay? That is so yummy and good. I'm going to put this and transfer it into a jar, and then I'm going to show you, I think I'm going to peel the breadfruit next. Okay? See you in a bit. Hi again, everybody. We're continuing here with our breadfruit with pigtails recipe. So I've rinsed off my pigtails here. I have 3 pounds of pigtails, regular plain old pigtails. Put that right in my pressure cooker right now. Everything is going in the pressure cooker. And I have a 1/3 cup of my sofrito mix. As a matter of fact, take a look. That mixture that I made produced a quart-sized jar. I won't have to worry about chopping onions and peppers for a little while now. So I'm excited about that. So I got a 1/3 cup of that. I'm gonna put in there, as well as about, I'm gonna say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sprigs of thyme. And what I'd like to do, I'm going to tie it together. Got some butcher's twine here. Use my knife. So, make a knot. And when you do this, when you're using any string in your food, be sure to use all natural butcher's toy. 100% cotton. All right. There we go. You put the whole thing in there. You got your onions, your peppers, your cilantro. Was in the sofrito. Now you're just adding a little bit of thyme to it. And voila, you're going to have more than what you're asking for. So I opened up 2 cans of coconut milk, but I use this can opener. I love this can opener because you open it this way and it turns. But then it's got this amazing feature right here on the side with these little beak things right here on the end. And you push this button. You see how it opens and closes like that? Look what that's for. You take it when it's too difficult for you to remove the lid with your fingers. You just take that little beaky thing, push down, and look at that. It lifts it right up for you. And the other, you don't cut your fingers. There's no sharp edges. You can have your children use this can opener and they will not cut themselves. In addition, let's say you don't use the whole can of ingredients, you can actually return the original lid to the can, push it down. You can either wrap it in cellophane if you want, just to protect it from spillage or anything, but I just put it right in the refrigerator until I'm ready to use it again. And normally if I do that, it's the very next day. I just wanted to point that out to you because I love my can opener. Let me see, can I show you? Is it by? It's a Swiss designer, and I bought it on QVC, I think it was. So this is the name. Should I come closer? Can you see that good? All right, back to business. So I got my 2 cans of coconut milk. I'm putting that in there. Now mind you, I'm just gauging. I think looking at all the ingredients right now, 1 more can of coconut milk will not hurt. Let's do that. Oh, this one has a pop top. Okay. It up, some fats, and mix it all up, pour it in there. Yep, 3 cans, that did the trick. So now I got my breadfruit. I am so excited that I found this breadfruit. You don't understand how challenging it is. It has been for me to find breadfruit in my neighborhood where I live. Now I have, not far away, my breadfruit. My lovely, lovely breadfruit. Anyway, did you know breadfruit used to be considered a commodity way back in the day? That's what the British was using as trade. They were trading salt for breadfruit. I mean, trading breadfruit for salt. That's what I meant to say. Okay, this is what it looks like on the inside. Oh, it smells so yummy. And I'm going to remove this and basically remove the flesh from that. Okay? So, let's get in it. Oh, I got breadfruit. You don't understand how happy this makes me. So I just put it on an angle and I just cut that off, well, the seed part off, now the skin part off, as much as that, off the stalk. So I'll turn to the side, because there's some really good flesh on this side. That's all I really want. The rest is trash. This goes into the mix. So I got to remove this hard piece right here. So I think I'm just going to cut here on an angle, so I can cut it right here to remove the remains of that seed. So I'm just going to keep going. I'm just removing the skin now. trying to get off as much as that green, unripened part. Make you sick. So now, oh wow, look at that. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Way to remove the skin, make a flat surface, then just follow the shape of the feet. I think it's easier for me to cut it this way than the other way. Here we go. There we go. Faster and easier that way. Always cut away from yourself. Never towards yourself, because you can accidentally cut yourself. So, better safe than sorry. Cut away from yourself. Oh, you guys don't understand how excited I am that I found Breadfruit. It was just by chance that I walked into the shop. I was looking for something else. Just coming home from the doctor's office, and boom. Wouldn't you know it, there it was. Oh, such a wonderful surprise. I thought somebody was looking out for me today, making sure that I get something that I really wanted. Help me feel a little bit better. Lately I've been under radiation treatment, so, and where they're treating the area, that's why you see this. The area that they're treating from the breast cancer, and the radiation is affecting my esophagus, so it's hard for me to swallow anything, and that's one of the reasons why I am making this dinner tonight, because it's not a crunchy dish and it's not soupy dish. It's more like a stew. But the ingredients are soft enough to eat, and it's flavorful, and it's something that I like. Because I didn't want to end up having to have pureed carrots for 20 more days. So this was my idea as a solution for me to have something really yummy, soft, nutritious in a lot of ways. Coconut milk, the sofrito, the thyme, the breadfruit. Pigtails, maybe not so healthy, but very meaty pieces. Not as much fat as it would be normally. So, my job is just to get the skin off, get this all into the pot. And this is my pot being filled. So, let me come back after I finish cutting the rest of the breadfruit. I have one more I gotta get through. And I'll come back when it's time to put this on the stove. Okay? Okay, so my breadfruit has been cut. This is what it pretty much the flesh looks like on the inside. But this is going to get as soft as a potato. Even soft. But hold its shape. So now, to give it some added flavor, I'm not adding vinegar. I'm adding white wine, cooking white wine. No alcohol, just cooking white wine. And I just want to put a 1/3 cup of wine. Oh yeah, that's what I'm going for. Then about, I'm going to start with 1 tablespoon of salt. We need some pepper, so bear with me. Here we go. about 1/4 teaspoon or so of pepper. So to continue, I just want to put a little bit of pepper flakes. Actually, not that much. I just want 1/4 teaspoon pepper flakes. Then I want 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric that I have. It's basically for color. It's also good for you, so might as well add it to your foods. 1/4 teaspoon and a really large bay leaf. Right, push it down into the liquid. That's what I like to do. All right, put this on the side. Now, we're going to open it up. Oh, my arrows have to line up first and foremost. There we go. Okay? Then I'm going to get this to start boiling. The piece right on top of it. And I think I'm going to let that go for approximately 45 minutes. And let it come down, and then we'll open it up and see what it looks like. It's great experimenting, isn't it? Our brew. Let's see what it turns into. See you in a bit. Okay, so this is my version of oiled dough. This has been in my pressure cooker. It was cooking for approximately 1 hour, and then I turned the heat off so it can like kind of come down in temperature, and then I released the steam pressure. So let's see. I'm not sure if it needs any seasoning, so there's a little bit of meat and some of that breadfruit. Maybe a little bit of salt, but overall, this is so good. And this is the breadfruit on this cup. And so, oh my God, creamy tender. You're on a budget? You want to get something like this that's going to be hearty and fill your family up. Absolutely delicious. I can't speak now because it's so good. It's absolutely delicious. I hope you enjoy it, and I see you again next time. Bye. There we go.